Hello! If you saw my previous video where I showed how to build a subwoofer box at home, then today I'll show you how to give your speaker or subwoofer enclosure a nice, professional audio equipment coating finish that is durable and protects the wooden speaker box by creating a tough, water-resistant layer. For this task, I'm using Acry-Tech DuraTex speaker and cabinet coating, which is very easy to apply with a roller. Since speakers and subwoofer boxes are usually placed in living spaces, a big bonus is that DuraTex is water-based and non-toxic, so you definitely won't end up listening to music in a room full of chemical smells. This coating can be tinted in many different colors, and it's especially forgiving for woodworking beginners like me because it hides small imperfections in the box construction. Before applying DuraTex or any other speaker coating, you first need to prepare the surface. Fill screw holes with wood filler. Use wood putty to smooth out any other imperfections. After the filler dries, sand down the uneven spots. Since filler tends to shrink while drying, you'll need to repeat this process at least twice. Once you get a smooth surface, tape off any areas you don't want coated. Clean the box thoroughly. For the best results, many recommend using a paint primer first for better adhesion and a smoother finish. But since DuraTex already adheres very well to wood and other surfaces, I decided to skip the primer. Applying the coating with a roller is very easy, even for an inexperienced painter like me. It is also possible to buy a coating version designed for spray application. After the first coat dries, apply a second one, and that's usually enough for a great finish. The best thing about this coating is that it makes the surface strong, durable, and weather-resistant. It's also easy to clean and maintain, and the finish still looks brand new even after years of use. That's exactly what you need for subwoofers that often get moved around or placed in wet car trunks.